There you guys, your man Joe came around just to find that you need to know. So I'm going to be teaching you how to post videos on your Instagram or IGTV. I already have a couple of them up here already. So here's the process on how to put them up there. Okay, so first things first, we're gonna add something to the timeline. I know I already put this right there, so we're going to drag something on the timeline right here, and done. This one's already edited and done. So what you'll do is we're going to some editing programs have export. Mine, I only have a movie studios. So what we'll do is we're going to go to export or make a movie. For me, we're going to go to save hard drive. We're going to go to advance, and we're going to go to the main concept, ABC or AAC, and we're going to go to 720 portrait. I already tried these already. They didn't work. Unless it works for you, and that's awesome, but it's for me. Internet 720 portrait. That's pretty much works for me, and we're gonna export it and stuff. But this one is already finished. So yeah. And when you finish your when the video is finishing exporting, you're gonna go to your go to the website of Instagram and sign in by that. Don't go by your phone, but go on the website, Instagram.com. Shameless plug. So we're gonna then when you log in on the website, you're gonna go to uploads right here, and this when you take the folder and then you drag it right over here, put titles and descriptions and stuff like that, and that's pretty easy. Then you start to press post. So I hope this pretty much helps for anybody who's anybody. So yeah. So it's your man Joe. See you guys in another video. So okay. All right.